No. Right then. What was I going to say? I've lost my marbles now because we closed part of 3A because of unsafe activity. That's the one. They're going to be travelling through the door of Sheffield today, but it might not be the door you're specifically thinking of as 800 Dore Totley for the sidings. We're going to head over to Dore Totley since they've rebuilt the second platform, and it's the only day I've really got off work, so I've got a meeting tomorrow. We'll then spend a bit of time at Sheffield, see what time's at, maybe jump on the tram over to Rotherham, and then get back. Let's get on the train first.
The next train to depart from platform 5A will be the 10:18 Northern service to Leeds via Sheffield.
£, plus the price of a ticket.
Customers are requested to remain vigilant.
So we've given a delayed box train priority over us, who's now also delayed. Right, so we're here for about the next 4 minutes then, over at the signalling centre at West Holmes Junction. At least we've got a lengthy connection though, so it doesn't matter too much. That makes us 10:25 departure from the signalling centre. Oh dear. Where will that place us for the rest of the trip down? Bugger knows. We left the railway station 2 minutes late. We've left here 5 minutes late. Guess it's down Sheffield, 11:44. That's at the same time an East Midlands Railway train's also waiting to use this junction. See if we can find him. There he is. Welsh one. Either 206 or 208. It's 172.06, right. Let's continue to Sheffield then. 10:29 departure from Pipework Junction. We've only taken our time before E53. Only just in the Saxleby area now, passing through their station. So we've still got a fair bit of time to drop. We'll see what our next point then. As we pass over Clarborough Junction, we're going to be taking hold over at Clarborough Tunnel for some reason or another. There's no train ahead of us, but we don't have the road through the tunnel. Now we do. Onwards and upwards. There's a train on platform 6 heading over to Hope.
This is Sheffield.
That would have been thinking.
Well, it would have been
Parking.
parking prices more than anything.
Oh!
Welcome aboard this Northern Service to Manchester Piccadilly. The next station stop is Dore Totley.
Yeah, the next train. No, I finished when I get back to Manchester. So, yeah, I know it's up to you if you want to. You might be okay. I mean, you might not even come down and do the tickets. It's only certain stops sometimes. Yeah. Or you could look.
This is Dore Totley.
He's working the door, so sorry. But
All right,
I'm not
okay.
sure what's best for you to do.
All right, thanks, no worries.
And this will be mine coming back. The 12:59 Northern service to Sheffield. Running pretty early. Coming in pretty quickly and all. 195, 1, 2, 3. We've got 6 minutes till he leaves, but we're getting on now anyway. So thank you guys, we'll see you next time. Once the doors are opened. Where's the conductor? Here we go. Mind the jump. And let's get back to Sheffield.
Welcome aboard this Northern Service to Sheffield, where this train terminates.
See you back at Sheffield. And the 1439 Northern train service from Leeds to Lincoln Central.
1439 Northern service to Lincoln Central.
It's number 7.
Do you mind if we sit here? Is that all right?
Go ahead.
Yeah, thank you. Sorry, Michael. Do you mind if we sit here?
No, self, yeah.
What are you saying?
Sit here.
Welcome aboard this Northern service to Lincoln Central.
It's like an standard operation.